Hey everybody, good morning.
Artlist.io.
Just trying to get everything set up here. I'm actually feeling a little sick this morning, so been coughing a little bit and my voice sounds really weird.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hopefully Randy's on today. All right, the bells happened here. Already happened, actually. 6:31.
Artlist.io.
Let's get our VWAPs on our chart here. Take a quick look at our financial juice. Not much. What do we have? ECB deposit rate 6.15, that passed already. EIA natural gas change, that's at 7:30, so an hour from now.
Artlist.io.
And that's about it on the news.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
YM's ripping here, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
YM's looking pretty bullish here, guys. Popped it out.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, guys. What do we got happening here? So ES
Artlist
pulling back.
IO.
NQ's pulling back. Dow's popping up. What's gold doing right now?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yo,
Artlist IO.
Yo, good morning.
morning, buddy. Sorry, man. Technical difficulties on my end.
Oh, all good. I'm actually, I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm feeling a little sick today.
Yeah, you sound a little stuffy.
Yeah.
It's going around like crazy right now.
Yeah. I had it like kind of a tickle in my throat for 2 nights, and then
Yeah.
today it's like a little bit of lung congestion.
Oh no. Well, anytime you want to jam, bro, I can hang out here, man. I'm here for
Oh,
that
it's all
morning.
good. Yeah, I'll hang out.
Music licensing.
Damn, this sell-off
reimagined.
again. Like, what the hell?
Yeah.
When I went to bed, we were pushing all-time highs. And then the market just dumped in the London session.
Yeah.
I wonder what the sell-off was, just like London catching up with the news, or?
Yeah, I didn't really see anything.
Shit, it wasn't even really the London session.
That was a little earlier, right?
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, I actually lost my 150K accounts yesterday.
Lucid ones?
No, my 150K top one futures. I've
Oh,
had them
no.
for 2.5 months now, but they were pretty far in drawdown, so it's kind of
Music
is what it is.
licensing
I actually
reimagined.
felt a little. It's kind of sad, but I felt a little relieved.
Yeah.
that those
That's
ones
good.
are gone because they're just so far from any kind of payout.
Yeah, I did that with the set of 5 XFAs, one of my first funded accounts with Top Step. I traded them for like almost 4 months. But like 3 of those months, I was like 80% in drawdown.
Yeah,
And so Austin even said to me, he's like, Randy, he's like, you're trading these funded accounts to make money. Like, you're learning at the same time. I get it. And like, it's
Artlist.io.
cool to say you've had these for 4 months, but like, you're just like in this like, and then once I did actually lose the account, the weight I felt off my shoulders, super
Yeah,
interesting. So
yeah. So I'm gonna try to be a little conservative today, just because
Artlist IO.
I would say yesterday and the day before my decision making process moved a little bit. So
yeah, I'm feeling your pain, man. I'm right there with you. I took max losses in my Ignite accounts, and then basically went into FOMC, and then kind of with the mindset that I was like pissed from taking those max losses, I traded in 3 of my XFAs and I hit the short. So it was like they were,
nice.
and I had my TP. I literally set my TP at 6,900, and walked away from the computer. I'm like, this is either going to hit or I'm going to lose these accounts. Like, I was that mad.
Yeah.
And the short hit, and I was just like, it just sucked. I hate that feeling, right?
Yeah,
'Cause it's it was a big win, like 1,200 in each account, but it was like, for what? You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
so
Kind of
Absolutely, bro.
the wrong
Absolutely,
way to
man.
get it, right?
Yeah, I've been struggling for a little bit here with I don't know, since like kind of coming back from LA. I kind of been on and it's been more of a just my
Music
thought, my
licensing
decision making process.
reimagined.
Like you said it, like that nailed it for me. Like I
Yeah.
can read the trade wells. It's just how I'm managing them, or like, so
Yeah.
I got some soul searching to do myself. I'm going to kind of figure out what the best way to go about it is. If I'm just going to copy trade all the accounts on Traders Post and just have one micro for each.
Mm-hmm.
Like just trade to trade. Like forget about the
Yeah, for
account
sure.
size, or like the accounts, or position sizing and all that.
Hey, Trevor. Morning. How you doing? And Michael.
Good morning, Trev. Good
morning.
morning, Michael. When are we getting together, Trevor?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, we should try to line that up. Especially Zach's not around, so we don't have to wait for him.
Especially with the holidays coming, man. Like we're gonna get.
Yeah, we should try to almost like schedule some sort of get together and see if we can get some other people to come join.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, for sure. There's a few people I think that I talked to on Instagram that are that trade here that are local that would probably come out.
Nice.
Even just go out for coffee or a beer or something, or even dinner or some one night.
Yeah.
Nick coming on today?
He's on Traders Post today. Price Action Live. As you can see on our where we're broadcasting to is only to me and you.
Oh, I didn't even realize that. And to his Twitch.
Yeah, but he doesn't care about that. Nobody watches there.
Nobody
We
watches
should almost
it?
stop linking that. It's always just one scam bot guy.
Well, it's funny when he said he was going to look at Twitch. I was
Music
kind of like,
licensing reimagined.
everybody I talked to was like, Twitch is like for like such the younger generation. Like,
Yeah.
I just don't think we'd appeal to Twitch.
Yeah, and gaming. So
Yeah. Jeez, the sell-off is brutal. Well, I wonder if we're going to fill that gap. What do you think, Dave?
oh, never even thought about that. But yeah, why not?
Gap fill at 826. So let's see if we get a push further down here.
Artlist.io.
Let's go to 4.6s today.
Yeah. Funny would that be? And we're not far from it. Oh, no, we're 200 points away from there. Sorry, my bad.
Yeah. We do have a naked point of control down at 68.36.
Artlist.io.
And then I did draw. Is that a breakout level? Oh, that's the breakout level. So our original breakout level of the all-time highs was 68.05. So that could definitely come into play here.
There's 158 orders sitting at 6,800. So someone's
There you
in
go,
there.
I almost want to take one of my Lucid accounts off of the copy trade and just take a short and just let it ride all day. Just see what happens. Put a stop above value area high or previous
Not a
day
terrible
high.
idea.
Gonna let it ride.
Artlist.io.
78 points though. $40 points. 40.
Previous day's value area, point of control, and high and lows are all above us, probably, right?
Yeah. We
Like
got
way above us.
PLC at 937
Licensing reimagined.
and value area high is 948.
Yeah, those are kind of irrelevant today.
Yeah. Yeah, usually when we're this far down below, value area low, it's heavily bearish, obviously, right? So could almost wait for a little bounce here and then get enter short. But I guess you never know. This could be
Artlist.io.
the bottom. Because we did consolidate a bit with the lows of that consolidation at 68.67, which is kind of where we bounced off of. So
Artlist.io.
I'm rocking the Neocitrin right now. YM sort of leading the pack upwards.
Music licensing reimagined.
So this is YM here. Let's get back to the ES.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm debating on doing nothing today, man. Just sitting flat, I think.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just like I said, that the way the day unfolded for me yesterday
Music
is
licensing reimagined.
I
Yeah.
want to take a break, but I don't want to take a break. I don't know how to say it. You know what I mean? Like,
Uh, well, I guess just hang out, be patient. If you
Yeah,
if
that's
something happens that you really like, then maybe.
I might look at shorting one micro on one of my accounts and just
That's-
letting it ride. I want to see if we're going to fill this gap on ES.
Artlist.io.
ES and YM are both at that gap. Oh, YM just turned right around. Jeez.
Yeah, it's been popping. Morning, Daniel. And Christine. Good morning.
Good morning, Christine.
Oh, and
Good
Zar.
morning, Czar. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, Keith. Everybody's late to the party.
Thank
What's
you.
going on here? What the hell?
I was
You
just
guys
thinking
all-
about Daniel. I've been trying to figure out how we're going to get that account from him. I was going to send him crypto for it.
Yeah, so that's what I was hoping you guys could work something out. I just don't trade Lucid, and I don't want to be adding one more to the box.
Yeah, it's kind of a pain in the butt though, because it's like most of my stuff's in Bitcoin, so then I'd have to convert it to USDC and then send it to him. So. Oh, that's funny, Christine.
Artlist.io.
Christina's watching the Jays game.
Oh,
In
that's good. Man.
Sayulita, Mexico.
Did you end up watching the game too?
No, we went to we went to this haunted house. It was a lot of
nice.
fun.
Oh, that's
It was
sweet.
it was in Newton. It's been there since I can remember. It's the old Potters on 72nd, like by Kwantlen. And now it's called Cougar Creek's House of Horrors, and it was good, man. Like, I'm not a big
Oh, cool.
haunted house guy, but it was like, I think we paid $30 or $40, but we were in there for an hour.
Oh, wow. Is it
And,
like a house? Or?
It's like multiple houses. Like, you walk through, like, I
wow.
swear it felt like 50 different rooms.
Holy smokes. That's cool.
But it was good, and each room was like a genre, like
Artlist.io.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Silence of the Lambs,
Nice.
Alien.
Trevor went there last week, he said.
Yeah, it was. I'm a big skeptic of those kind of things. Trevor and Hillary, actually, her and her sister got tickets, and I reluctantly went yesterday, and I was super happy that we went.
Nice.
Christine, do you
Zach-
remember? Sorry, Dave. Christine, do you remember Tom Hugard's Power of Four for FOMC? Is it the fourth after the fourth 10-minute bar, Prince? Go ahead, Dave.
I want to hear about this Power of Four thing.
Yeah,
I was
it's
just saying
interesting.
Zach Boyajian went short on YM pretty quick, and it went way up on him. He
Stopped him out.
jumped in too early, almost stopping him out.
Artlist.io.
So basically, the way I took it, Tom Hugard has this strategy he uses for FOMC, and it's won like 10 of the last 11 times.
Oh wow!
And if it is nice job on the long, Daniel. Caught the bottom.
Music licensing reimagined.
Very good.
ES up and down 20 points. Yeah, so do I, Michael. I like everything though. That's my problem. Yeah, I know. Great call, Daniel. This thing, look at the sell-off. Like, who's to say that the buyers are in all of a sudden, even though that we're back above the VWAP and everything.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
I mean, we are near all-time highs, so not that far away. We'll see what happens when we get to that overnight VWAP. And YM's just going higher and higher and higher here. Poor Zach's trade.
Oh wow.
Music licensing reimagined.
Great work, NQ, but taking profit early, waiting for next play. Oh, nice. So Zara took along there too, obviously. What gave you guys the idea to take that? I guess there was structure there. That's what I was saying. We're kind of on some structure, previous structure, right at the gap up. Oh, okay. So we found support right at the gap up. That's a good
Where I was
question.
looking for this to want to break down there. Interesting. Christine, how did you make out on your NVIDIA play? Did you get rid of it? Or did you, sorry, sell it?
Music licensing reimagined.
Christine's been just crushing it on her swing trades.
Oh, nice.
We need to get her on stream and get her to start swing trading.
Yeah, no doubt. Well, good thing we didn't jump in that short right away either. Coming up to that overnight view up here.
Artlist.io.
Oh, you did sell it. Yes, you sent me the screenshot. Sorry. What's boring? Swing trading?
I mean, I guess you don't get to see it play out same day, but
Music licensing reimagined.
is that music too loud or?
I'm fine with it. Ask the chat. Chat, can you hear us? How's our audio? I'm just getting my chart set up.
Artlist.io.
Audio is good. Nice.
Yeah,
Music
crazy YM
licensing
pumped right through its
reimagined.
previous day's value area low.
Poor Zach, man. I think he's down like $1,000 almost on that trade. 780 down.
Well, it's almost like a complete reversal on YM. It's back above its all-time high view up.
Yeah. It's like, what the heck? I was watching it. I was thinking long, but because it was just so bullish out of the gate.
Artlist.io.
What time do we got here?
Music
It's
licensing
53.
reimagined.
What are the boys on the ASFX doing? Evan has looks like a short framed up on the overnight view up. Is that that's a yes?
This is what the day where everybody's going to be looking for that short that we had such a big sell-off, and everybody could be completely wrong.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, it could be. Might just keep going, right? So we'll definitely be waiting for some sort of reaction here. Could be making a lower high, right?
True.
On this bounce. So we'll have to see if we start turning around a bit here.
Artlist.io.
And it is the first break of the range.
Music licensing reimagined.
I wonder if Tanner longed YM off the open.
Yeah.
You could see that.
Artlist.io. Music
Thinking about
licensing
taking a short here.
reimagined.
One micro stop about just above that recent structure. Pretty big stops though, 30 points.
So I was talking to Zach yesterday on stream during FOMC, and he was saying that how he likes a 3-minute fair value gap for his day trade, like for his intraday trading.
Oh yeah.
He finds it the sweet spot. He finds 5 minutes can sometimes be a little bit too long for scalps,
Yeah.
and 1 minute can be a little bit too short.
Yeah, I don't use ones, but I could see how the threes might be.
He uses
Sweet
one
spot, yeah.
sometimes too. Like if he sees it and he likes it, he'll trade a 1 minute fair value gap.
Music licensing reimagined.
We did stop right at the overnight on ES, although we did form a couple of bullish fair value gaps on the way up, so bit of a risk there. Did we have a bearish fair value gap?
Artlist.io.
Looks like we did have a bearish fair value gap. I was a little slow. I could have taken a long actually off the inversion of this fair value gap right at 635 candle. So we would have been long from 893 for 10 points.
Music
90,
licensing
we went to 908,
reimagined.
so yeah, it would have worked. That's Zach's model also.
Artlist.io.
Bracket the fourth FOMC bar on the 10-minute chart.
Yeah, so let's
Go long above that and short below it.
This is the power of 4 that I was talking about.
What's the fourth FOMC bar? Like the
So
fourth
that's the fourth 10-minute bar
Music
into
licensing
FOMC.
reimagined.
after the news is released.
So 11 a.m. is FOMC for us. It would be 11. So this is what I want to pull up. So the fourth 10-minute bar.
Artlist.io.
Because I think I had it wrong, and it might be a losing trade yesterday. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fourth 10-minute bar, go long above and short below.
Music licensing.
So you set a limit order at the top of the candle, a buy order, and a sell order at the bottom of the candle. And whichever one gets picked up, that's your trade.
Looks like you would have got stopped out because it would have hit the short.
So you would on ES, you would have got a 5 minute or 5 point short, and then you would have got stopped out.
Yeah, I see that. Sort of like 99 down to 94.
Where I thought it was the next bar, the fifth one, like the 1140 bar. That one would have actually worked great for a long.
Yeah,
Like,
because but
right,
it
if you
did it broke to the bottom side before that one.
No, oh yeah, you would have got in short.
1, 2, 3, 4.
No, you
5.
wouldn't have. You would have got in long. You
Licensing
would have got in at
reimagined.
903. I know it sounds confusing. Because your
Interesting.
limit order is set at 903.
So we're playing around that overnight view up still here.
Artlist.io.
And Neil Citron's actually helping. You want to see that on screen here? I'll toss it up. So ES, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. It's a 10-minute chart. So you'd basically let's put a little box around this. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I guess what they're saying is if you take either side of this, you'd have a limit order along at the top and a short at the bottom.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this one, like you were saying, doesn't really look like it would work. Not a whole lot of move anyways. Seen Mr. Long Entry.
Music licensing reimagined.
Interesting.
Just something to keep in mind.
Artlist
Yeah.
IO.
I would like to try it on an eval.
Yeah, no doubt.
What was your
Forward-tested
entry
a
on
bit.
the long, Christine?
Music licensing reimagined.
Zach got stopped out.
How far was the stop up there?
It was really far. Like I think he stopped out around $1,000 down. 889.
Artlist IO.
He was saying before he took the trade, he's like, I should go to micros to manage this better because I'll have such a big stop. And then he just still went with minis. Last minute decision.
Music licensing.
But that's a huge stop. I was chatting with Scott. He's been actually going through a little bit of a rough patch for 2 days in a row now, where he's like hasn't been really following his strategy and stuff.
I thought he was finding some good flow with that strategy too.
So Zach just sent me, he said, Lucid, your Lucid trading, your Lucid account activation 1644. Lucid trading, your account is active 1604. So that means 40 minutes to qualify for funded.
Wow.
So he literally bought it funded and then passed it in 40 minutes later.
Is he in Thailand now then?
Yeah. I don't know what happened, but something happened with his, I think I told you, with his Lucid accounts.
Yeah, where they breached him or something.
Yeah, so I wasn't sure. He never really found out exactly why that happened, but and then he said he was done with Lucid. He was going to do TPT only, but then it looks like he ended up buying another account there. So sweet. Glad that he's a really good trader, but he just dies from 1,000 cuts because he ends up taking too many small losses in between catching those bangers. That's what he was saying anyways.
Yeah, that's like Zach used to be like that. Our Zach, our Bucci.
Yeah.
He used to be like 1,000 paper cuts and then a 10, 12, 15 bagger. Where now he's more of a negative R trader and just high win rate.
Yeah. I just took a short right there on this. I'm actually only going to put my stop above the high of that recent candle there. Not by much. So 15 points. Give it a little bit to the top of that other candle, actually. Teeny bit more. So it looks like about 20 points. Oh, I just heard Bruce has said he's going to take a short on ES right now. Oh, poop. I guess I'm looking for a retest of deviation now. She thinks she missed her trade.
Artlist.io.
Well, I didn't like that bounce off of as soon as I entered. I saw the nice closure of that last 5-minute candle, and I was like, oh, this is looking good.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's hope that we hold this overnight view up here.
Jeez, YM just on a tear, man.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, ES is pinning that overnight.
Yeah.
So all-time high VWAP on ES is 5904. NQ is
Music licensing reimagined.
26,138. So we're just basically below it on NQ and ES, and I think that's where we're seeing that resistance.
Mm-hmm.
Where YM is cooked right past it at 47,855.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to say to you, Dave, so the building that we're staying in Mexico, if Nick does end up coming down and you want to come down too, there's actually, in our building, there's these, they're called casitas, and they're like studio suites that are super super affordable, and they're on the back side of the building, but you get access to all the like the pool amenities, everything, and it's just like you're obviously not having to pay for a big suite.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll have to see if I can get the Airbnb link. There's a guy that owns a few of them in there. There's only 3 or 4 of the casitas, and I think he owns maybe all 3 or 4 of them.
Nice.
But yeah, I can't see those being much.
Mm-hmm. It's kind of like a yurt or something.
No, it's like, so the building has 3 floors.
Uh-huh.
And then on each floor is 3 main units on the front of the building, which is like 3-bedroom and 2-bedroom condos.
Okay.
And then on the back of each floor is a little casita. Like it's part of the building. It's crazy. Like it's very smart how they fit those in there. And they're always rented because obviously they're a lot cheaper than renting the units that we're staying in, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you don't need all the size. Oh, let me find the Airbnb link. I'll send it to you.
Okay.
But you'd basically be in the building with us. We could trade upstairs on the roof. You know what I mean? We hang out upstairs on the pool all day.
Artlist.io.
Nice.
Then
I can go home drunk down there.
You're gonna do. Did you go to Sayulita when we went? Did you go to Hoser's wedding?
Yeah.
You come to Sayulita with us for the day. Then you tried surfing. I think I remember.
I think I only did snorkeling, but no surfing. But yeah, I went out to the left side of the cove and was snorkeling out on that area.
Yeah.
Overshot overnight low, then moved back into that price. Gotcha. That was your long. I'm gonna grab some more Neocitrin.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, that was a strong rejection off that overnight and all-time high VWAP. Michael, you said you're in a long?
It's so soothing.
Artlist.io.
I was stopped. They flip short. I just find retests don't work as well for me. That's why my mindset.
That was a quick flip there, Michael.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just with opening range high and New York VWAP on ES below us, I guess 903 you could look to take profits at 90 and take 10 points out of the trade.
Yeah, if we get back to the New York there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Previous day's lows at 882. Should probably shoot for that. So 16 points. Looks like we found support on the opening range low there. Or opening, did I say low? Opening range high?
Music licensing reimagined.
You look pretty relaxed right now.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm chilling, man.
Yeah. Chilling.
Learning how to chill.
Yeah.
I can't wait for Zach's course to drop on Monday. That'll be super cool.
Yeah, I'll definitely be going through that thing a couple times.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's been a minute. We've been patiently waiting. But 23 videos or something, I think it is. So, pretty long one. Yeah, I hope this is a lower high here.
Artlist.io.
Coming up to that New York right now.
Yeah, when you look at it on the higher time frame, is it just a lower high? And now it's just going to make another leg down?
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Evan says, Evan's saying he doesn't want to long it today.
Well, I think with just such a sell-off, he wants to see some bullish price structure form before he's got good patience in that way.
Yeah.
It does keep you out of some good longs, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
But that's just the way he wants to see the buyer step back in, and he wants to see some, structure form.
Yeah. Yeah, the 15 is definitely looking like it wants to go lower, right?
Artlist.io.
From the overnight session there. Was that like right around midnight?
Music licensing reimagined.
Definitely trying to take that overnight and that all-time high view up.
Yeah. So you have the all-time highs from the overnight session, right?
Yeah, mine just prints the highest price of the year.
Okay, gotcha.
Artlist.io.
Bruce has his price is $8.97. So I actually got slightly better price than him. I got in just before him. I got $98.75.
Music licensing reimagined.
Do you have any news for the rest of the week, or we're done?
There was one medium folder, I think, coming up in a bit. 7:30 EIA natural gas change. Is that the right day? Maybe I'm on the wrong day. That's October 30th, yeah.
Well, look who it is.
Artlist.io.
Hey.
It is
Whoa.
the Pied Piper himself.
Good morning,
Got a
sir.
They kick you off Trader's Post or what?
Yeah, I was on Trader's Post this morning with Mike and Tom. Just wanted to make sure I was still in the gang and you weren't going to beat me.
What's Tom's backstory? He's a trader, futures?
Music licensing reimagined.
Tom is he builds indicators.
That's
He's a
what I was-
trader.
Yeah.
He is a trader. He builds indicators and does a lot of stuff that I don't understand and could never do.
Smart technical guy.
He's a smart cookie.
How's your morning so far?
Made a little bit of money, so
Reimagined.
I'm doing all
That's
right.
good.
Doing all right.
That's good.
How about you guys? You see anything fun today?
I'm short right now on ES. On the hold of the overnight VWAP.
You going off midnight or London Open?
Midnight.
Yeah, midnight.
Midnight.
Not midnight, sorry, that's London Open. He's going off of the
Like
daily,
the
I
start,
think.
new started VWAP, like so the 6 p.m. East
Oh,
Coast.
okay.
We just rejected off it a couple times, and then we're flirting with the New York VWAP right now. So see if we can't take it.
Yeah, I took NQ longs
Music
just above
licensing
VWAP today
reimagined.
and
Nice.
didn't hold them for too long. Just
But yeah,
long
that's-
enough.
Oh, I think
That's a-
Czar took a similar trade.
Yeah.
Who else? Daniel had a long on NQ.
Artlist.io.
So you have a Halloween outfit for your kid yet?
So I got him a poncho in Mexico, and I bought myself a poncho too. And I want to dress up as Clint Eastwood, like the good, the bad, and the ugly. But
Oh, nice.
Hillary's giving me grief, telling me that's cultural appropriation or whatever it is. And I was like, no, that's
Wait,
not.
what?
Yeah, no, that's not. So,
Okay.
yeah, exactly. So she came home with a pumpkin outfit from Winners, and I was like, and he looks super cute in it, but I'm like, he's like a little man now. He's not like meant to be cute.
No.
Like, we might as well put him in white stockings and the little pumpkin outfit. And,
Artlist.io.
you know what I
Put him
mean? Like, and make
Tell
him
you
look
what.
like little Bo Peep. And,
Cultural appropriation. I'm sorry. Take your kid, put him in that poncho, give him a
I'm going to.
little sombrero, and draw a big old like Mexican mustache on him.
Yeah,
Nailed it
yeah.
with the mustache. That's what I got to do, like
You
a
need
curly
that.
one too.
Yeah,
That would
really
be
was-
the shit.
Reimagined.
I'll send you a picture as soon as I get
I
a
saw
minute.
some YouTube videos on that, like where somebody dresses up as a Mexican and he actually goes around and talks to people. And some people are like, "Yeah, that's cultural appropriation." And then he talks to the Mexicans. They're like, "We love it. Like,
Yeah,
we love you wearing that. That's awesome."
Let me guess. It was a bunch of fucking middle-aged white women going,
Yeah.
it's cultural appropriation.
I bought the
If you're
poncho
not-
from a Mexican guy and supported him like this. Like
Yeah.
I'm supporting the economy in Sayulita.
Yeah, only white people
see?
licensing
There, Christine's on my team. Let's go.
Yeah, and honestly, if you're not being a dick, it's get the fuck over it.
Yeah. I mean, we're just too sensitive these days in the world.
I'm gonna cry.
I like your
We're all
short,
too
Dave.
sensitive. Don't say that.
Too soon?
I don't know.
Artlist.io.
You never know.
He's just giving you a little confirmation there.
I don't think so.
Go turn the shower on, go have a hot, steamy shower, and then come back and see how your trade worked out. You'll feel better all around.
Yeah. I'm a
Yeah,
little
no
sick.
stop loss though. Do not put a stop loss in.
Oh yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Risk it.
Risk it for the biscuit.
White wine moms. Yeah.
Hey, I like white wine. Just kidding.
I can't drink wine. The worst Italian on the planet, man. I drink wine. You're gonna see me naked. It's bad. I'm either dancing on the table or sleeping under it. One of the two.
Artlist.io.
Lance, you know my boy's half Irish, right? Like, what kind of mix is that Irish Indian? I love to say that.
That's all right.
Like, can you imagine like the
Music
like the drinking
licensing
like genes in him, like being
Oh,
Irish
God.
and Indian?
Oh yeah.
Well, he's got the gambling with the Indian too.
Oh, we love you, Christine. That's why we have you here in the chat. Christine's a white mom, but not a douchebag.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's a white wine mom, not a douchebag. All right. Yeah, Christine doesn't come across like a
Artlist.io.
hypersensitive, whiny, white, milk-fed thing from the suburbs.
Killer game yesterday, hey? For the baseball though? Like first 2 home runs out of the first 3 pitches.
Music licensing reimagined.
1 home run off the very first pitch of the game.
Beauty.
Blue Jays. So if they win this next game, they're going to be World Series winners.
Artlist.io.
I'm gonna run to the bathroom, guys. I'll be back.
Sounds good. Where are you today, Nick? Your looks different there. You guys moved?
Yeah, it was it's a nice sunny day out, so I'm sitting by the pool
Oh, nice. Okay.
and just kind of chilling out here for a bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh yeah, the game's on Halloween. Yeah. Never thought about that. I won't be going out. I don't got kids, so.
I want to go to a Halloween party and just put on a green suit, wrap myself in Christmas lights, plug myself in a corner, and drink.
Nice.
Artlist.
Oh yeah, walking TV playing the game. That'd be so awesome. Like strap an iPad to the front of a box and then like have the actual game playing. That'd be so awesome. Then you can watch it and play. Or yeah, you know what I mean.
Music licensing.
Now, are you going to
reimagined.
dress up your kid as one of those old-timey televisions with the rabbit ears, or is your kid a flat screen?
Well, you got to put a big box around them, so it's got to be a big TV, right? I guess you could make him a flat screen though. Lance, man, what the heck?
Artlist.io.
I remember when that shit came out in the 80s, people were talking about, oh, people putting razor blades and pins in apples. You know, it's never actually happened. There's not
No.
been one case of a kid biting into an apple and biting into a razor or a needle.
Mhm. I think I heard that too. Like that never happened. It was just kind of
Yeah, no.
it's a myth. It'd be pretty hard to miss it too. Maybe a needle, but
But Lance might just ruin that for us. Man, it looks like your short's playing out well.
Yeah, not bad. Trying to let it get to my TP here. I just kind of I'm down at 68.79, just above previous day low. Or just below previous day low, actually.
Yeah, this is looking pretty good. I'm tempted to get in there with you. I'm not going to, but I'm tempted.
Artlist.io.
They just wanted to fire up those X-ray machines in case people swallowed razor blades and needles.
Music licensing.
I wonder if I should be
reimagined.
targeting opening range low.
I was just kind of thinking that. Looking at like 942. I'm sorry, initial balance, not opening range. What's the opening range low?
That's 68.68.
You're on ES.
Yes.
Got it. All right.
Artlist.io.
Okay. We're looking at different.
Sorry, I'm on NQ. I'm looking at, because I'm used to you trading NQ. I'm sitting here looking at an NQ trade thinking you're in a short. Why you gotta go switching shit up on me, Dave? Come on.
I'm just trying
You know
to
I
be a little
get confused.
conservative today.
You know I get very confused very easily, so I gotta call Christine at some point today.
Oh yeah.
What did I miss?
Not much. We're retaking New York.
Dave's confusing me with taking ES trades instead of NQ.
ES just moves so smoothly. We should be in gold trades right now, guys. That's what we should be trading.
How's gold? I never even looked at it today. Ooh.
Yeah, Christine, that's actually why I was planning on calling you today. When I got your message yesterday or the day before, I was a little bit busy and hectic, so we will go over some options stuff and figure out what your goals are, what your strategies, what are good strategies for you.
I want to trade options. Don't forget to include me in this call. What's going on here?
Okay.
I do want to be in on this call. I just have today's podcast day, so it's gonna be busy.
Oh.
You always got something going on. You're like
I
the
know.
hardest working man in futures.
I just
Yeah,
wish I
you're
got
pretty
paid for it.
You will eventually. All that work will pay off.
Music licensing.
You can come, Randy. Yeah, you guys can use the Discord. There's a voice channel in the Discord.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't
glad
have
did, yeah.
Christine's home number. That would just be weird.
I did set up some 3 voice channels in Discord. If you want to do a group thingy. I think you should be able to also make it private if you wanted to, so nobody else will join in, but I don't think anybody...
Shorts looking
Well.
good now, Dave.
Yeah.
Music licensing.
Need to take
reimagined.
this 86 level.
All right, I need some coffee now. Getting overexcited here looking at Dave's short.
Yeah. Christine's going to grab a coffee too. Good time.
Hey, we're thinking alike.
Artlist.io.
So IB set just now. Oh, that was a big bounce.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I was just gonna say with that 15-minute candle close below the New York, you'd think this thing would want to tip over, but
Music licensing
that's not.
reimagined.
Not yet, anyways. Still in this bearish trend, though. Austin says I think Austin's long,
Artlist.io.
looking for 6,900. Orders at 6,900, which is basically my entry price. Lance has got some Apple call and a BYND call.
Music licensing reimagined.
I was looking at BYND like a week or two ago. Man, that stock just collapsed.
It's beyond meat.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
See if we can take the 6,900.
Uh-oh.
Now the shorts. What a little bit of a seesaw.
Yeah, that candle is not looking good.
Music licensing.
Not a huge volume
reimagined.
yet, but we still got, what, 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle, so it's climbing.
Artlist.io.
I feel like if we end up breaking out very much out of this area, I'll probably just cut it early after we've kind of made that move lower, and now we're bouncing pretty hard.
Now putting in a higher low, right?
Could be. Because it held, 3 candles in a row sort of there.
Music licensing
Below New York.
reimagined.
Yeah, I'd like to see what happens with 6,900 here.
I took a short on gold too, actually,
Multitasking, Dave.
on the side here. So I got this one here. It's basically break even at the moment.
Is that considered a double top on gold?
No, it's more like a sweep, I think.
Oh, yeah, swept those highs.
Yeah.
You mean a sweeper? Also call it a sweeper. Jose, what's up with your name? It's not spelled
Oh,
right.
yeah. I know that's I saw that before with them once too. At 95JLC Jose Kalunga 07.
And dude, you sent me a video of something, but I didn't get to I tried playing the video again and it deleted. It was like something wrapped in plastic that you found on one of your hulls.
Yeah, this gold trade's looking really good right now too.
You in a short?
Yeah.
Yeah, see this 6,900, Dave, is resistance.
Artlist.io.
No hoping and trading. Come on.
Well, it's not like I'm hoping that it's gonna come back. Half a mind to take this to
Music
close this
licensing
gold trade, but
reimagined.
it's probably gonna keep going a bit more.
Are we going to pop these orders this time around now or what?
35 seconds left here on this candle.
Artlist.io.
I think sometimes when I think about the end of day drawdown, I always forget that it's actually like if you're a little bit in drawdown, you don't really have to worry about getting into profit and losing that profit,
Yeah.
as long as it
Music
isn't reaching
licensing
your
reimagined.
highest point, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know. I was just kind of like was worried about that a bit sometimes. There we go. We end up taking those nines, eh?
Artlist.io.
900s.
She gone.
Music licensing reimagined.
Nick, I think I'm going to convince Dave to come to Mexico too.
Do it.
Yeah, it'd be fun times. I need a getaway. When is that again? Next year? February or something?
Well, I'm there March and April, so
Oh, March and April. Okay.
I think Nick said hopefully you come in March.
March.
Artlist.io.
I was telling Dave in that building there's actually 4 studio suites. They're called these little casitas. They're like little, like not even one, but they're like these little tiny studios with a kitchen in them. That would work perfect.
That would be a
Music
blast.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah, we could do some live trading together. Have a little circle jerk.
You
What
had
about
to make it
Christine?
creepy, didn't you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
What about Christine?
Oh well, I figured she would be in her cozy little.
No, she's
There
coming
you
to live trade. We're gonna have the time change so the market doesn't open until Central Time. So market
yeah.
opens 8:30 a.m., which will be nice.
Artlist.io.
Laugh my ass off. She's got hands. Okay, Lance. Now that's too far, man.
Whoa. Man.
That's too far, bud.
Music
You're gonna get us
licensing
banned. Come on
reimagined.
now. What's wrong with you, Lance?
Nah, that'll just get us more viewers.
Yeah.
That's okay. I just sent a message to Christine. I went to go get coffee. I looked down at my cup when I walked inside, and there was an inch-long wasp dry humping my cup. So,
It's a crazy world out there.
even the bugs around here being affected by Randy's randiness.
Artlist.io.
Well, she had a cockroach fall on her face while she was sleeping. A Mexican.
I know.
cockroach.
Ew.
That's hilarious. Not hilarious for her, but just what a chances, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, I thought we were gonna get a little move lower on gold here, and take out my
Did
TP.
it find
But
support at the VWAP there?
yeah.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, YM's up at its previous day's point of control, and I think that's what's propping ES up.
Mm.
You better watch out, Lance. Christina will fuck you up, man. She doesn't fuck around.
Music licensing reimagined.
Don't excite Lance.
You might put
Can't be
extra
saying
razor
shit like
blades
that
in
to Lance.
apples.
That'll just egg him on.
Oh, might hit my TP here, guys, on the gold trade. Oh, of course. Come on, guys, let's go.
What's your TP on gold?
39.99.5. I should actually put it to
Artlist.io.
just above 4,000.
Yeah, that round number of 4,000.
I'll put it to 4,000.05. 0.5. We're
I
pretty
like it,
close. 3 points.
Lance's wife can't handle bugs because everything in the South wants to kill you.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't know if I should be a dick for a tick here. If we get a little bit move here. Oh, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Get it. Taking it. I close.
Nice trade, David.
Good job.
So yeah, that was about $100 or so, I think. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, as soon as Nick said, "Oh, we should be trading gold," or I think that's who said it. Then I looked at the gold chart. I was like, "Oh yeah, that's looking pretty heavy right now."
When did I say that?
just before you got coffee, I think. Or was it Randy?
Really?
No, Randy said
Was
that. Maybe.
I was gonna say I don't remember saying that, but
Music
I do say a lot of
licensing
stupid shit that I don't remember. So
I'm getting induced into everybody trading gold right now. Everybody and their dog is trading gold.
Yeah, I've been trading gold too. So.
And
I'll trade gold on my personal account. I screw it up every time I try trading gold on a prop account, though.
Except that one short that you caught last week or 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
With
one-
basically
Oh yeah,
sold the
Mini.
top and it just fucking ripped lower.
Artlist
with
IO.
minis.
yeah. That was definitely a stellar day.
Should almost flip my position here on this short on
Music
Yes.
licensing
Yeah, I
But
think
I'm
this
gonna-
is setting up for a long play, but it's almost like, where do we go from here? Session highs,
yeah.
69.13.
Artlist IO.
13, yeah.
Yeah, here we go.
Hmm.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, Austin's long, looking for 60, the 13s.
Yeah, he's looking for that high pin.
278 contracts at 10.
Now he moved it up to 15. He's read like $500 in those accounts. So he's
yeah?
like probably thinking if this thing's gonna rip, I could probably get my day back green.
Uh-huh.
Artlist IO.
Ooh. Let's hope this is a higher low. Still a chance. But we are taking that overnight view off currently, so that's bad news. I guess if we get a 5-minute closure above that, that'll just kind of be my decider if I'm going to cut it early.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, super strong on those last 3 candles.
Yeah, let's see what happens here at 10.
Music
I got a
licensing
6 micro
reimagined.
long at 69.05 on ES.
Yeah. There we go. There's 10s.
Let's move my stop loss up.
What do you think? I should cut this or what?
Artlist IO.
I don't know. What are you gonna wait like for this? The 13s if it gets taken and for this to pull back. I don't know what you'd like.
They do have a bearish fair value gap up at 14 up to the previous day VWAP there. But, after that kind of a run,
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't know what the way markets are looking like. YM, like Dave, this thing could easily want to rip, and this thing could want to give you a brief pullback, and you could save some of that those losses. But that's the risk you got to take.
yeah. Wow, yeah, YM's just looking crazy.
YM's almost pushing all-time highs again, like making new all-time highs.
That's crazy.
Music licensing reimagined.
Austin removed most of his trade there. He has
He got
he
back
has
almost
one.
all of his loss.
Yeah.
Good for him. He's just slightly red on the day.
Okay. We didn't. We closed right at the new. Of course, we closed right at the overnight view up. So that's like that was my thing. Is if we're above it,
Artlist.io.
I should cut it. My stop's up at 21.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh my God, Randy. What's going on, Christine?
Oh, what happened?
Christine said, "Oh my God, Randy, yuck."
The price action maybe, or the bug?
Artlist.io.
Could close it here for $25 loss. Oh, the wasp. Are you talking about Nick? I think Nick was saying that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was Nick, not Randy, because it was the text.
Music licensing reimagined.
Because it came through from all of us. So if you look when you go to post a comment, Nick, if you want to do it just from you, it says all.
All right.
Put it with you, but that will not send it to anyone who's in Randy's or my channel, right?
Gotcha.
Artlist.io.
Nice trade there by Austin, though, for sure. I'm back to break even.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think I need some coffee. I'll be right back.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
Hey, James
reimagined.
McMillan. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, James. You didn't miss anything.
Well, I've definitely picked the exit on the gold trade, hey, because the next candle we wicked a little bit lower by like what
Artlist.io.
997, and now we're back up at 4,013.
Yeah, look at those orders come on at 87, 85, 82, 80. Trying to suck this thing lower.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
Music licensing reimagined.
I feel like if we get down to the New York view up, I'm just going to bring my stop break even though on this, just in case they decide to pop it from there. Should have taken the $50.
You in drawdown now?
Yeah, well, not really. I'm down like $10 currently, but it was down $40-$50 at the high. And
That's
yeah,
not
gold's
horrible.
just popping hard. Gold's heading back to the top. Tippy.
Music licensing reimagined.
Varun said, Randy, did you take any trades?
Nada. Nada. I'm flat. I'm sitting here actually just enjoying.
Taking a mental day.
Yeah.
You know
You
what's
haven't
crazy?
taken
is,
any trades today?
I was talking to my mom about couple like 2 days ago, and I was saying like I feel like I have a tilt day coming. And it literally happened that night.
Oh,
Like that day. Like after I said that.
It's because it
So I
was in
gotta
your. That's because it was in your subconscious.
Music
Yeah.
licensing.
And I gotta learn
that
from
mean?
that.
Kinda
If I ever
planted it
think
there,
that, I
and then
need
you
to take a day off or something, right?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Evan lost some accounts on Friday.
Yeah, he said that, and then he had like a great day yesterday.
I took a
We all
long
blow
and
accounts.
taken one pop and locked my stop. Got stopped out. All right.
Artlist.io.
Zach Bajajan took his one and done loss, and he's still on stream, just hanging out.
Yeah, it's gonna suck down to those orders. Look at that, Dave, and you were gonna cut it.
Music
Yeah,
licensing
good thing I didn't.
reimagined.
See, there's a lot of orders down there, hey? 89 to 80.
And the way that they're stacked like that, what do you interpret of that, Nick? When you see that,
I'm sorry. What was that?
when the orders are stacked below you like that, like they came on like in levels.
Oh, it's somebody's trying to pull price down.
It was probably the seller from 6910. There's like whatever huge amount of orders down there, up there, and it,
I mean, if it's
after it did that, it came on. So
if the price is going down and there's a bunch of orders underneath it, that's just it's accumulating at those prices. Generally speaking, I'm looking for something to bounce off of them, not to go through them. Generally
Music
speaking.
licensing reimagined.
So what you're saying is I should be pretty careful at 68.90 to get down
Yeah.
there.
Once you start hitting those levels, and this is just what I've noticed when I'm trading, is when I see huge orders coming up above or below whichever direction I'm in, when it's in a trend, it'll hit those levels and then launch up off of them and then come back down again
Artlist.io.
and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
launch back off of them.
Yeah, I've seen that lots too. I know what you're talking about.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I got me a little NQ short here.
Oh, nice little
Artlist.io.
bounce there.
Got 10 contracts on, and
And I'm out.
I'm out.
There you go.
All right,
As always,
that was my trade for the day.
Nice.
as always Nick's moves, man. I'm still waiting for this.
Music licensing reimagined.
See what happens with these 90s here. Bouncing on 91.
So
What happens
Dave,
when you lose more size?
so Dave, I was thinking of you actually when I was on stream with Mike and Tom today, because it's the same shit. It's like, all right, I'm in and I'm out. But Mike called it. He goes, "Oh, you got quiet. What are you getting into now?" And I just
Oh, yeah.
started laughing. I go, "Man, between you and Dave, you guys are getting to the point where you know me too freaking well."
I could totally tell by like whatever you say. I was like, I can totally read what you're doing.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm really trying to be patient with this trade.
You got this shit.
So they
Relax.
just moved all those orders below just got like moved up a little bit. Like
Oh, I see that. Yeah, that's weird, eh? Yeah, it's like kind of staggered a little bit, like it half a point higher or something.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Uh-oh. Come on, Bears. Here we go. Go to those orders.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, I just had 50 of my options contracts
Closed?
bought back.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
Christine, this house is nice. It's good for a vacation house, but it is not something I would want to live in full time. It's very echoey. Need
Cold.
some
Music licensing reimagined.
need some artwork put on the walls or something to keep it from sounding like I have a fishbowl over my head when I'm sitting in there talking.
Artlist.io.
Right?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I imagine
Yeah.
there's a lot of that down there.
Come on, boys. Let's go. Hold this view up.
I don't love the way that it's holding
Artlist.io.
that level though.
Yeah.
Like it kind of bounced off those orders.
Uh-huh. Did they get smaller? Oh, there's like 170 at 68.90, eh?
68.90.
Music licensing reimagined.
180 contracts?
Boys, I got a meeting. I gotta get on it at 2 minutes here. Just realized the time.
Oh, wow.
Hey, Randy.
Love you
Have
guys.
a good rest of the night. See you
I'll
later,
see you,
bud.
bro. Cheers.
Artlist.io.
See you, chat.
Yeah, Christine, I ended up looking at a house to buy yesterday on a 7,000 square meter lot with a
Music
guest house.
licensing
It's a
reimagined.
3-bedroom house with a 2-bedroom guest house. All it's like the only flat house, flat land that I've seen in a while, but it's up on a mountain, so it overlooks the ocean. There's a
Ooh.
river running through the property, and it's got a bunch of mature fruit trees like bananas, mangoes, guanabana, papayas, coconuts,
Artlist.io.
and the price on it's good.
Nice. And you got a Trader's Haven for people who want to come visit you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, flat lot on a hill with a
Music
view.
licensing
Exactly.
reimagined.
It's Santa Teresa. Nicoya Peninsula.
Artlist.io.
Well, I probably should have taken it there at the 90s. Now it's
You're still
little
in a
bit-
short, correct?
yeah,
On ES or NQ?
on ES. My entry's 68.90, 875.
Music licensing reimagined.
So just a teeny bit into drawdown right now.
So are you going to cut it fast or
Artlist.io.
hold on to it for a while?
I'm gonna try to be patient for now. If we move up, if we start breaking this downward trend line here again, I'll think about cutting it earlier. Just not a whole lot above. I mean, we do have those 167 orders at 67.15 or 69.15. Sorry. So it looks like, I mean, the Teppan definitely looks like the draw on liquidity should be lower, but hard to say.
Artlist.io.
Oh, it looks like we lost Nick there, Christine. His screen went black.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Costa Rica would be a pretty cool place to live, though. My stepmother always wanted to go there and visit. All right, Christine, have a good one. See ya.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.
Thinking about closing this here, guys. Let's give it a few more seconds here. Habla español un poquito.
Music licensing reimagined.
¿Dónde es el baño? Una cerveza, por favor. La cuenta. That's my stay alive in Mexico language that I know.
Artlist.io.
Where's the bathroom? Order another beer and can I get the bill? Friend went there and married a girl he met at McDonald's.
Music
No way.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah, ES has definitely been smoother. This trade is going against me right now, though. Got 57 seconds left on this candle here. Hoping that they're going to pull it back down a bit here. Keep this lower high.
Artlist.io.
And gold's been chopping sideways.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, Bears. We need the Bears step back in here,
Artlist.io.
guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
I left Top Step, so what's a good alternative? I left them because they were buying evals I did not authorize. Oh, because of the monthly fee, right?
Artlist.io.
If you get into Lucid, it's a one-time fee, right? So I would definitely recommend them. I am biased a bit, obviously, because I am affiliate, and you can use my code MBT. But yeah, that's what I'm trading there. That's what I'm in right now. Is I'm trading 5 Lucid evaluation accounts. It's a one-time fee,
Reimagined.
no activation fee. So you pass these, you get into a funded account. It's definitely a good route. And they, like I said, you're not going to get a new evaluation purchased for the end of the month. I know a lot of people YOLO their accounts right before the reactivation fee comes. So, but you got to kind of stay on top of it and then just like risk it all in the last day or two to try to pass it. The good thing about Lucid is you can do one trade and pass. So have EOD funded,
Music licensing
end of day funded.
reimagined.
Let me see. I think that they do. I think I had this open here. So Lucid Direct, yeah, drawdown type. So max loss is 2,000. Here, I'll bring this over so you can see it. So max loss 2,000, drawdown type, end of day. Daily loss limit is 1,200. The loss limit scales, so like the higher profit you get into the account, the daily loss limit gets larger. 20% consistency rule, 8 minimum days to trade though. That's kind of their sort of harder part about it. So this is what it would look like if you passed the 50K test account here. So they're $74.25 one-time fee. You'd have a profit target of 3,000, max loss limit 2,000, end of day drawdown, and 1,200 daily loss limit. So you would go with the test account here. Once you pass that, then you would get basically this Lucid Direct account.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, we're bouncing here again, guys. Can't help but think we're being pretty bullish. Hey, you're welcome. And I definitely would appreciate you using my discount code if you do go with them. Another one you could consider is Take Profit Trader.
Artlist.io.
They're good, but the only thing is once you pass the evaluation, the funded account, the sim funded account is intraday trailing drawdown until you get it to $2,100. So
Music licensing reimagined.
So Zar took another long on NQ at the midpoint and VWAP. Hopefully this finally break out soon. Yeah, I hope for you. And I hope not for me. Looking like it wants to pop up right now, though. So maybe Czar entering long is a good time for me to close this short with a small loss here. Can one trade bonds? I don't know of any. I'm not sure about bonds. If you're allowed to trade it, I can't really answer that one. I've never traded bonds before, and I don't know if any futures accounts can. Is there bonds on the list even? I don't see bonds on there on like the list here that you can select either. Yeah, I should probably cut this here, guys. See what happens on this candle, though. We'll give us a little bit more time.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, it looks like nobody's coming back. So it's just us. And I'm the sick one.
Artlist.io.
Like Nick said, I'm out, but only half. So they brought some orders on at 69.10 there again. Didn't quite hit it. So wonder if this is going to be the move lower now, potentially. See how this candle plays out. 2.5 minutes left on this 5-minute candle here. Ooh. Orders getting thicker up there on 69.10 again.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Or Lafta, if you do want to get into like a straight to funded one, the cheapest accounts you can get right now are actually from Top One Futures.
Reimagined.
These Ignite AF accounts here. So if you went with a 50K, you can get 50 or 55% off of that. So it'd be 175 and you'd be straight to funded. So it does have a 15% consistency score, which is obviously a little bit harder. You gotta, you know, your largest win times 6.5 is what your profit target should be. So you got to calculate that. I think it's like 375 for your max profit target, but that would be another option there. And I also have a discount code with those. I think the take profit trader ones are good, but they're a little bit more advanced because they have the once you pass into the pro, you got that intraday trailing drawdown, right? So we're bouncing up here again. Just trying to decide if I should cut this or not. Pretty strong closure on the last 5-minute candle there. Right to the top of that candle. Let's see, what do we got on the 15? just started a whole new 15-minute candle here.
Music
So we'll have to
licensing
see what happens here. Let's print a bearish 15-minute candle now, guys. Getting a little pullback, but are they gonna do it for us? Let's see. They're up about 5 points on me right now. 5 to 6 points. Drawdown.
Music licensing reimagined.
I should really think about just getting out as close to break even as possible here, because if we're looking at this 15-minute, we've had, you know, these lows here, and we made higher lows, and then we made higher lows again and higher lows. So if we can get into profit, I'm definitely going to be a little more aggressive on bringing my stop this time. Can't let it go against me one more time if it does get back to break even. So got to draw the line somewhere, but we might end up popping up here before we end up getting back down to my price, and I'll have to cut it, you know, slightly up here at the breakout sort of. We'll have to watch what happens around the 69.10 area. Today YM has been very good. Yeah, I almost took a long too out of the gate. I was like, once I saw it just start ripping higher, I was like, oh, this could be a good long entry. And then I was watching Zach Boyajian on the side screen, and he went short. So then that kind of like threw me off as like, maybe I shouldn't go long yet. Maybe he's onto something. But then it ended up ripping straight to his stop. He lost 880 or something on that trade with one micro or one mini
Music
short.
licensing reimagined.
And yeah, it just kept going up and up and up.
Artlist.io.
What's gold doing? Gold's been going sideways here for a bit. It would be nice if YM started to roll over. That would help us out a bit here.
Reimagined.
But what's the draw to Costa Rica? Is ice after you? I didn't have a very good day yesterday. I think I was overall I was down, I think around 800 on the day. I took 2 losses in a copy traded. Well, 1 loss copied on 2 accounts on a YM trade, and then I took 2 losses in my 150K, which are copy traded 2 accounts. I took 2 losses there. I ended up actually losing my 150K accounts later in the day. So yesterday was not a very good day for me anyways. It was a tough one. So kind of feel a little relieved though. I've been fighting those 150K accounts in drawdown for like a month or something. So it's kind of like I need to move on from those anyways. So that's why we're in the Lucid accounts this morning, but I had a small loser from yesterday, down $25 in all 5 accounts, and now we're currently down $32 in the 5 on this trade, and it's looking pretty bullish, fortunately.
Music licensing reimagined.
Should probably just close it here. Yeah, FOMC and the days before and potentially day after, like we are today, it's kind of a weird market. But yeah, especially leading up to FOMC, we end up having quite a bit of chop, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like they want those orders at 69.10 here.
Artlist.io.
Nine 69.10, 69.11. Those orders are still on below though. There's a whole cluster there between 90 down to 80, 68.90 to 68.80. Thinking of taking the day off tomorrow, or may only trade London. Not a fan of the month-end price action. Oh, that's good. Good to know, Czar. Just noticed your way of speaking is just like Nelk boys. I'm not sure who that is. Are they Canadian?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Haven't really given me any new information to say that I need to get out just yet, though. Oh, YouTubers from Canada. Nice. Am I saying A too much and stuff?
Artlist.io.
Come on, Bears.
Licensing reimagined.
Give it to me. Hey, Darren. Good morning, afternoon. Had a rough day. Minus 175 on 2 accounts and plus 106 on 3 accounts. Done for the day, but just checking in to say hi and hang out. Hey, yeah. I took one trade on gold in my take profit trader accounts. I'm up $100 in each of those accounts. And I'm currently been sitting in this short for quite a long time now. I think I got in, around here, which was 7. So I've been in this trade for an hour and coming up on an hour and a half soon. MNQ looks more bearish than MES. Yeah. It's because YM, right? YM's just so strong. It's holding up ES a bit better.
Artlist.io.
You took 2 shorts on ES. The loss was too soon junior. The winning short was from overnight back to New York VWAPs. Nice. Overnight back to VWAP. All right, so you took that like sort of up at 912 area and then closed it down at 95 area. Try to clean my glasses there, but they're got a big blur right in the middle of my eye.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's better. The loss was shorting the lows with a wide stop above opening range high. Rookie error. Oh, yeah. Kind of jumping the gun.
Artlist.io.
Hard not to get induced on some of those shorts down there when it looks like it's going to break lower, right? I worked at a hospital ER department, had a Canadian. She said that the service was amazing, better than what she got from Canada. Yeah, you know, we have free healthcare in Canada. I don't know what it's like for you, but our hospitals are just overrun with people. You know, like Canada, you know, they immigrate so many people, and you know, nothing against those people, but they're, you know, they don't think ahead as to how it's going to affect the you know, the medical, the housing, all this stuff. So they just keep bringing in so many people, and you know, obviously our friggin' hospitals are just packed. So not promoting, but if anyone trades NQ, there's a guy that Austin interviewed a while back.
Reimagined.
He's content worth a look, and it's called Flow Zone Trader. He really helps the mindset. Is he is that like Flow Zone Trader is his channel? Oh yeah, I see ya. I'll throw a subscribe that way. I'll check it out on another day when I have a little more time. I think I've seen them actually once before, a while back.
Artlist.io.
I was hoping we were going to get our pullback there, guys, but Bar stepped back in a bit there at the all-time high VWAP, holding that up, and also what, 21 EMA on the 5-minute chart. I don't have all those on this chart. I only have volume and I just wanted to get back break even. I'll put my stop in there, and whatever happens, happens. I need to finish this up. I'm pretty tired today. Feeling a little sick. Woke up with some lung congestion, coughing a bit. And then I had 2 Neocitrins, which is anyone who's not from Canada, maybe you don't know, but it's kind of like cough and cold drink. So I'm actually starting to feel a little bit drowsy from it. I do have a meeting this morning at 11 a.m. So I got to leave at 10 a.m., which is an hour and a half. Okay, Darren. Hey, thanks for coming in, saying hi, and have a great day. We will catch you, you know, probably tomorrow at some point. I did see you in ASFX TV there, so good to see you hanging out with the boys. Let's switch up this banner here. Let's see if we can't get some more
licensing reimagined.
People to like and subscribe. So we got 5 in my YouTube, 1 in Randy's YouTube, 8 in Randy's X, and 2 in my X. So pretty quiet day today in general. Quiet price action, you know.
licensing reimagined.
See if we can't get below this 68.99, 6,900 level. Those orders kind of came off at 69.10. I guess it kind of almost took them there. So maybe we are actually heading back down to that liquidity now, guys.
Artlist.io.
Just had to throw a couple sound emotes out there. Come on, Bears, let's go. Let's rip right through this overnight view up. I know I said I want to put my stop break even if we get into that price, but now I'm like thinking, maybe this is actually going to head lower here.
Artlist.io.
Because YM's starting to pull back finally.
Music licensing reimagined.
Struggling at my price though. That 6,900 is going to be a pretty key level if they can take this with any kind of momentum, any kind of volume. That could be a good thing. But again, this New York VWAP is going to be the line in the sand sort of for the next potential rejection if we do head lower here. We got a little bit of orders there at 97.50. Kind of bounced off them a bit there. 107 orders there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of holding that level right now. I think they want to take it though.
Artlist.io.
I think they're actually buying the bid right now with those orders because it's dropping, but they haven't touched it yet. So those people are taking longs or covering at this point.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'd hate to cut it now that we're slightly back into profit and then it just continue going all the way lower. I'm definitely going to be more aggressive though if we get down to the 90s again. At least pull my stop up to at least to this New York VWAP here. So it looks like we did take majority of those orders now are gone at the 68.97 level. See what happens here. Get ready to put our stop in here, break even. Let's see if we can't take these VWAP, take the VWAP, boys. Been in this trade for quite some time. Would be nice to get paid for it. Feel like if I get down to $25 in profit, I should probably just try to lock it out, and then we'll, have a break-even day on these accounts. Because I think I took a small trade last night, ended up losing $25 on it. I actually just started trading futures in February of this year. My trading journey started sort of back in 2018-19 with stocks and options and whatnot. But then I noticed Randy had been trading futures, and he's a friend of mine, from high school. So it kind of got me interested. I started asking him some questions, and then I started trading my personal capital live account. And then I didn't really understand the prop firms at that point. So I traded that for like a month or 2 months or something. I lost a little bit of money during that time. Up and down, sort of with my winners and losers. And then April, I think it was, so in April, I got my first prop account with Top 1 Futures. I went to the straight to funded account and ended up getting a payout about a month later. I did do some Tradeovate or Tradeify evaluation accounts before that, which I failed a couple of those like sort of early on. And that's a little bit, I got high 2 at high school. Come on, boys, let's take those. We got orders. We got some orders that just came on at 68.95. Probably those guys who were shorting up at the 69.10 level. So let's see if we can't. Let's rip right through those guys. And then I'm going to put my stop here just at the New York VWAP. If we can get nicely below that. There we go. Hopefully we can get some continuation here. Down to the 90s.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
Come on, take those 90s. Let's go. Looking pretty heavy. How long do we got on this candle? 7.5 minutes on this candle here. So we got a bunch of time left here. See what happens when we get to these 90s down here. Got 171 contracts at 68.90, and then 110 at 87. Come on, let's keep going right through these guys. Come on, do it. There we go. Took out the orders at 90.
Music licensing
and a bit of a bounce here. Trying to hold it up here. Come on, Bears, let's go. Got those orders at 88 and 86 and 85. McGill University, no, I didn't go there. I'm not sure where that is. Is that, maybe that's East Coast? I live on the West Coast. I'm near Vancouver. I don't know if there's a McGill out here. I think that's East Coast or different province anyways. We have like University of British Columbia, UBC, and BCIT, British Columbia Institute of Technology.
Music licensing reimagined.
They're trying to take those orders down below at 88, 87. Come on, guys, let's go. One more little pop lower, and then I'm going to drop my stop here, sort of at this level. Maybe we can get some more. Just checked, it's in Montreal. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I thought so. Sounded familiar, but just definitely not in BC.
Artlist.io.
All right, I'm dropping my stop there. We might get stopped out here, about $40 in profit. turn this into a small green day. See if they can't
Music
hold it
licensing
a little
reimagined.
lower. Go lower, go lower, go lower. Come on, guys. You can do it. I went to Lucid. Oh, UCLA. I live in Los Angeles. Nice. Okay, I'm dragging down a little bit here as we're hopefully going to pick up some momentum through these orders here. Dragging down, dragging down. Sort of at the low of this previous candle here.
Artlist.io.
Are we going to get a little more out of this? Let's see. Yeah, we're going lower. Drag the stop a bit more. Almost got me out there. Go a little lower here. Yeah, keep going, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Music licensing reimagined.
We go. There, we're out. All right. Good trade, guys. Nice and patient. Waited forever for this to happen. Whew. So turned this into a up 37. I was down 25. So 40, 50. That was like a $62 winner, roughly, off one micro. So happy with that. So decently green day now. 40, basically 40 times 5, 200 plus the 200. So I made about 400 on the day so far. Not bad, not bad. Considering just trading one micro. Hey, Trevor, thank you. That was a long wait, man.
Music
That was like
licensing reimagined.
an hour and 45 minutes I was in that trade. And that's the power of going with small size, right? Because worst case scenario, I was down about $45 or so. But on that note, we'll stick around for a couple more minutes here, but I think in about
Music licensing
wrapping it up
reimagined.
for the day. Yeah, it was a beautiful trade actually in the end. Worked out real nice. Got lucky on the trailing there because it kind of like edged my stop a couple times. My bond trade is doing well, probably due to the rate cut. Okay, yeah. That makes sense.
Artlist.io.
Bonds like rate cuts. All right, so I'm just going to export these trades real quick.
Music licensing reimagined.
Lucid test account number 1. Did I get this? It's almost at 2,000. 1,980. So these Lucid accounts are slowly chipping their way to a pass here. Trying to just do slow and steady.
Artlist.io.
See, juice. Oh geez, I just screwed up. Put the wrong
Music licensing reimagined.
so 1750. 1774.
Artlist.io.
1497. There we go, got that correct. Okay, Trevor, have a good one. Talk to you later.
Music licensing reimagined.
I usually do trade a bit later. I just don't go live, LAFTA. I do a lot of I actually like the price action quite often at nighttime and after hours and whatnot. So I do end up taking some trades later on in the day. But, you know, in the mornings, I don't like to stick around for too long. Try to get some stuff done throughout the day. So this one's at 1626.
Reimagined.
Oh, why is this one wrong? Edit balance. This one's got to come down a bit. 1626.50.
Artlist.io.
$16.26. 640.
Music licensing reimagined.
1626.55. Close enough. All right. Lucid test 4.
Artlist.io.
Test 4. What does this one say? 110 in profit. 110 in profit. Nice. This one's accurate.
Music licensing.
And then test count number 5. Well, we're heading lower here, but I was happy with that trade. I'm not going to be worried about a few more points. This one says 218, 231.
Artlist.io.
What happened there? 231, 231. Okay, that one's bang on. Nice. Did I do my top 1 futures guy?
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, I'll have to catch you later, bud. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for tuning in, hanging out. Appreciate the company. Did I upload this? This is a top 1 futures 50K. It says negative 755.
Music licensing reimagined.
So what do we got there? 719. Negative 719, but we're actually
Artlist.io.
714. So this one's off by $5.
Music
Oh well, close enough.
reimagined.
Don't need to mess with that. Good work, heading out. Have a good day. All right, Zar. Thanks, you too. I'm gonna log us out here, or end the stream, I should say. Here's a quick look at anyone who is here. Here's a quick look at my calendar.
Artlist.io.
Still looking pretty good on the month, even though I had a bit of a blow up day. Lost some accounts. Actually, I lost those 250K accounts. They're in quite a bit of drawdown, so I archived them now because they're gone. And then it actually made my calendar look a lot better because I had mostly losses in those accounts on the
Music
calendar.
licensing
So it actually
reimagined.
brought my my calendar up by like a little bit of money because those big losses aren't on here so much. So I did have some wins on this day, Wednesday, with them, but decent. Yeah, 1,500 Sunday, 300 Monday, lost 600 on Tuesday, then up $100 on Wednesday, and up 516 on today.
IO.
So yeah, not a bad day. Not a bad day. You're short at 992 NMQ, targeting IB low. Let me see what you're doing here. 992,
Music licensing
targeting IB low,
reimagined.
which is 940. Wow. Looks like a nice trade. Let's hopefully it goes there. We're up 10 points already, so nicely done if you do get there. That's looking killer. Good luck on that.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
Yeah, so kind of getting this account closer to being out of drawdown. Need about 735 to get this one out of drawdown. This 50K top one futures account.
Music licensing
Took a couple max
reimagined.
loss limit days, sort of in quick succession. Brought this one down below the starting barrier. Lucid accounts are looking pretty good. Like I said, I think they are, they're the three ones that I started with, they're up there pretty good. This one's 1980, this one's 1750, this guy's 1625. So we're a little bit above halfway
Artlist
through passing
IO.
these Lucid accounts. And then my take profit trader accounts, they were doing really nice too. They were up at I think they were up around 13 or 1400, and then I took a pretty large loss on gold a couple nights ago, brought them down, so they're only at about $1,000 in profit right now.
Music licensing
I have about
reimagined.
my trailing max drawdown's down about $600 from the highest of my equity curve. So just gonna try to base hit my way back there, get those ones going good. But yeah, guys, I'm thinking about going back and hitting the bed for a few minutes here before I got to get on with the rest of my day. So, but
Artlist IO.
thanks so much everybody for hanging out. Jose, good luck on that short there, bro. Hopefully it's gonna work out for you. Getting a little bit of a bounce on this candle, but obviously that's going to be normal. You're going to get some bounces. So, but hopefully it plays out in the long term. And yeah, thanks so much everybody for tuning in.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like we got about 4 in YouTube and about 8 in X. So thanks everybody for hanging out, and hopefully we'll be feeling a little better tomorrow.
Artlist
Have a little more
IO.
energy, bring a little more upbeat stream. But yeah, talk to you guys later. Have a good day, and stay green. And yeah, we'll see you tomorrow, 6:15. Peace out, everybody.